Hey everyone, welcome back to the JayTech channel, and today we're going to keep it short and simple and very sweet. So what does this mean? This means that today we're just going to go over a quick overview of my top 4 most have apps that I have on iOS and Android. Now this may be a little bit basic, but it's the best that I could do. Let's start off with my favorite note-taking app, and this is Notation. Notation has been known for loads of things. They've been known for their notes as note-taking stuff. They've been also known for these AI new things that's now starting to come out, which allows you to write a whole entire paragraph using AI technology. Now, Notation has 2 parts to its subscription service. There is the free one that comes with collaboration workspace, integrated Slacks, GitHub, and way more. Has basic page analytics, 7 days page history, and you could invite 10 guests. Now there is the next subscription to it, which is the Plus subscription, which is one of the most popular subscriptions, but I use the free one. Now this is similar to the free one, it just has unlimited blocks for teams, which means that you could make a whole bunch of projects and things like that. Or a team group, it allows you to do unlimited file uploads, because when you upload files to Notation, there's a certain limit that you could put on it. This also not just only has 7 days of page history, but actually has 30 days of page history. You could also again invite 100 guests instead of 10. There is way more. There is the business and enterprise version, but we won't go into none of that. Anyway, this has been used by famous people. This includes Loom, Pixar, and Headspace, and way more. Now let's move on to my next app that I can't live without. And this is what holds all my passwords. This is Lastpass. Lastpass, I've been using them for the past 3 to 5 years now, and to be honestly speaking with you, it is one of the best services that is out there. Now there is a second option to LastPass, which is 1Password. I haven't used it as much, but I know that 1Password does have a nice premium addition to it. Now LastPass and 1Password are the same. If you've ever used a MacBook or iPhone system or ecosystem, or maybe even Samsung for example, you might have seen something similar called Samsung Pass or Apple Passkey. What this will allow you to do is allow you to store your passwords inside of a nicely saved and secure end-to-end encrypted space. Most people from LastPass has moved over to 1Password. It's a little bit more secure, but I just can't bother to move all my stuff over right now. I mean, I will do that sooner or later, but not right now. Now, they are 2 separate companies, but these are the 2 best password lockers so far. Now, as I said before, this is all end-to-end encrypted, so anything that you put on here, no one will be able to see. It doesn't just only save your passwords, but it also creates passwords for you. So if you need a quick, easy access to a website that you need to head on to real fast, you'll be able to make it straight away. This is an excellent tool, and I use it not as often as me just creating my own, but I do like using it as well. Most of the time, LastPass has all the features that you necessarily need, including allowing people that you trust, and also this is like a cool feature as well on LastPass. Anybody that you trust, including their phone number or email address, they'll be able to get instant access to your LastPass account if you have any problems. Now let's move on to another one that I really can't live without, which is a second web browser. This web browser is used for a load more things. I like using Microsoft Edge more of the time now, especially with their new AI feature. It seems pretty cool. I'm also in the trial testing of using Opera, as they now claim themselves to be one of the first people that use powerful AI resources, meaning using ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT on Microsoft Edge may be a little bit more easier and better to use at the moment, as this has went through its testing already and everyone's now starting to use it. Now, if you don't want to have anything to do with AI features, or you want to use Google Bard, then you could use Firefox. Firefox is another one. I wouldn't recommend using Google or anything like that. It is safe, but it doesn't have that much features and it doesn't keep you up to date as often. So those are the 3 web browsers I use It might sound like I'm doing a ridiculous amount of stuff, but no, these are just all for testing. I love testing applications and seeing how they run as well. Now, the last app that I cannot stand without is an app called Rise Sleep. Rise Sleep you might have heard before, which is a application that allows you to track your sleep along the way and also your health. A simple term is you could track your sleep. It'll tell you if it's a good time to go to sleep, and you'll be able to track even naps, sleeps, anything practically inside this application. And I think this is one of the best apps for sleeping tracking and also just keeping a health track on your sleep health. Make sure that you're going to bed early. It is around about £50 per year. Now this may be a bit too expensive to get in a lump, but I'm just going to say this out there. This may be one of the best sleep apps that I've ever used. So that's my 4 top apps for iOS and Android. And to be honest with you, there is way more apps that I could go into, but it's just going to take too long, and that will be one big massive video. I wanted to keep this video nice, short and sweet. Also, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and also please make this channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Please, I would love that, because then we'll be able to do some unboxing videos, which I'm sure you guys want as well. So that is it for the time. This has been your boy Jay, and I'll see you guys in another JayTech video. Bye.